This is the impossible wall. Do you know how to flash it?
I've never tried.
Okay, so you flash it by walking up as close as you can and then putting your flash halfway through it. Alright.
Let me try it.
Did you do it?
Yeah, I did.
So,
God, it worked.
so from this side, you do it the same thing. You just put it as close as you can. So you see that spot where you did it? That's the spot. So let's kill some minions. Don't die. Oh god, I'm so sorry. Not like this. What are you doing?
Oops. I forgot I'm not food side. My bad.
Alright. Oh my god. Alright. So let's go to where you died. I'm gonna stand where you died.